If you haven't made reservations for Valentine's Day, well, you better hurry. This is arguably the busiest holiday for restaurants, and I have a great recommendation for you if you are looking for a quaint ambiance, delicious food, and reasonable prices. Sidebar Bistro is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. On Valentine's Day, perhaps the ladies would like their cocktail with a little bit of bourbon in it.
I think it's a nice combination because in America everybody loves burgers and bourbons and we want to introduce it here. But the only thing that we do different is that we add more things, so also families and girlfriends can also come, because bourbons and burgers is more a man thing. But we want to introduce the bourbon to women as well and to put it in nice cocktails.
Burgers and bourbon is a great marriage, but Sidebar has many other options for food. The location of the restaurant, the quality of service, and the prices attract both locals as well as tourists.
I think we actually do a nice mix of locals and tourists. I was expecting more tourists, but we are doing actually a little bit more locals, which is very nice. And I think for everybody it's something here, because if you are on vacation, you want to have good quality for the price you pay, and I think we offer that. And that's also why the locals like to come here. That is a choice we made, to put it a nice price, so we wanted to attract also the locals and not only the tourists. And I noticed that also the tourists who are staying just across the street here, when they come in once, they will keep coming back. They come back for 3, 4, 5 times in the same week. And also the locals that came already is coming back. So I think that means that we serve a good quality price level.
And if you haven't made a reservation to any restaurant yet for Valentine's Day, consider Sidebar. They also have an open terrace. The seating inside and outside allows for a capacity of 160 people, so they have a better chance of accommodating you. A special menu will be made for the romantic day.
We are going to have a Valentine's menu special, but the chefs are still working on it. But it's going to be really nice. It's going to be an appetizer and dessert to share, and it's going to be a choice or fish or meat for the main course. And of course we give it a nice Valentine flair. It's a perfect place to come with Valentine because there's always space and we have some nice love seats and the booths outside.
For the parents who can't seem to get a sitter for Valentine's Day, Sidebar has a kiddie corner to help occupy the children. There is something for everyone at Sidebar. You can enjoy a nice cold glass of draft beer, or you can try delicious cocktails made with bourbon. Sidebar has a variety of different options when it comes to drinks as well as food. Call Sidebar Bistro at 588-5511 to make reservations and enjoy your Valentine's Day.